Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Rocket here, aka Rocket Design, and I got my hands on a Sketchboard Pro. Firstly, I'd like to say that this video is not sponsored by Sketchboard Pro. This is just a product I've had a ton of interest in recently. I picked it up for myself, paid full price for it, and I'm super excited to share the unboxing and review with you today. So let's go ahead, start unboxing it, and jump into what it looks like inside and a little review as well. As you can see, the Sketchboard Pro comes very well wrapped and protected, and the packaging is hands down one of the nicest I've seen by far in a long time. As an artist, I really appreciate the small details, and boy, this packaging has it all. Super nice details on the outside, and this also finds its way onto the inside of the packaging, which again is a really nice touch. We've got a bit of an info card inside as well, in a really nice blue color, and then of course the Sketchboard Pro itself. First impressions, this thing is built very well. Very sturdy, really good materials used, and I can already tell before getting my iPad in there that this thing is going to stand up to quite a bit of usage. Alright, let's get rid of the packaging and jump straight into what this product actually does. On the back, you're going to find 4 individual legs. These legs are going to allow you to use it in portrait or landscape orientation, and whichever way you decide to set up a Sketchboard Pro, this thing really is solid. It's been designed very well, and by artists who constantly use this thing day in and day out. Okay, let's go ahead, pop my iPad in and see how it feels. The iPad itself is a very snug fit into the inner rubber section. This section is also removable and changeable, so if you do get another iPad, you don't have to go ahead and buy the whole Sketchboard Pro again. You can just buy a new insert for whichever iPad you decided to get. My iPad Pro 2020 is inserted nicely into Sketchboard Pro. It has really well thought out cutouts for the Apple Pencil across the top, which still allows charging, which is fantastic. It snaps straight back in. I have access to all the buttons I need, volume up, volume down, as well as the power button. On the right hand side, you do have a little insert for a charging cable as well. Again, this has been really well thought out. The entry for this cable is actually underneath the Sketchboard Pro, and you can simply feed that cable through and pop it straight into the charging port and have charging while you're using the Sketchboard Pro. Alright, I'm super excited. Let's jump in and test this bad boy out right now. As you can see here, I'm working on a design and I have no worries at all, doing everything I normally would do on an iPad. I'm getting a super nice drawing angle, and I'm loving the fact that I can just pop the pencil back in and I can switch that orientation up super quick and easy. On the Sketchboard Pro website, they do state that this product helps you feel better and draw better, and I can definitely say that that is 100% true in the couple of weeks that I've been using this product so far. Ergonomically, this thing is fantastic, and it does everything you would want it to do and more. As someone who draws on the iPad Pro every single day, I truly believe that the price of £112 for this awesome product really is bang on for where it should be. It offers so much in the terms of comfort, usability, and reliability that I know that I'm going to have this product for many years to come, and the fact that I can switch out inserts for each new iPad that I get in the future just makes me really love this company even more, because I know the team that designed this are using iPads constantly themselves, and they know what we're looking for when it comes to this type of product. As you can see, I'm jumping straight back into using that pencil, and I'm loving all the other little details in there, like this tiny little hole on the top right hand side, which allows you to pop the Apple Pencil in there and have it easily accessible if you are working and needing it for quick reference. For me, this product definitely is a 5 out of 5. I use it every single day, and if you're looking for a more reliable workspace for your iPad Pro, look no further than Sketchboard Pro.